Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair South Africa. Oh my goodness, I am really excited to be showing you guys. I call it a little, a two-in-one wig situation, because guess what, this wig is not glued down, but it is a frontal. So which means, guys, if you want to wear it without having to glue it down and save your edges, you can wear it like this. And trust me, it is nice and secure, and this is how gorgeous I am looking. The quality of this hair is out of this world, guys. It is absolutely, by the way guys, it came like this straight out of the box. You all know when we working with Luvme hair, this is the quality that we're dealing with. All right, this is absolutely gorgeous. So you don't have to straighten it all the time. Get yourself a mannequin, put it there all the time. When you come back from work, just take off your wig and put it there, because this is a frontal, but it is glueless. Okay, if you choose to glue it down, it is up to you, but here on this channel we are choosing not to glue it down, and this is how gorgeous we are looking. I'm really excited, guys. I think you all can see. So without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video so that you can see how I achieve this look. Quality. So I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair South Africa. Okay, so this is the box, guys. It has purple and silver. It has a little bow that I genuinely love. So I'm gonna show you guys what is inside. So the first thing that you're gonna get is this Luvme hair. It is branded, by the way, this Luvme hair storage bag, so you can store your wigs. The second thing that you're gonna get is, you know what, a girl can never have enough wig caps. So this is what they sent me. So now inside this little makeup bag, let me show you guys what is inside. Okay, they were kind enough to send me an extra wig band, tweezers, edge brush, and an edge comb, bobby pins, and 2 hair clippers. Now onto the star of the show, guys. Let me show you the wig. So it comes in this net. So guys, for those of you who are still struggling to cut your lace, you know what, Luvme Hair South Africa said, baby girl, we've got you. Okay, so all you need to do is just to purchase this wig, do your makeup and wear it. Okay, they've got you covered. Okay, they package their wigs so nicely so that when they arrive, they still look nicely styled. So this is how the wig came. Let me just came with this net. guys, the quality, it is nice and silky. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Before we go any further, look at the quality. Look at that. It is nice and silky. It is so soft, guys. It literally moves. You all know, like when I am holding a wig, it needs to move. Okay, and this wig is literally moving. This is a very nice length, by the way. I am so obsessed, guys. It is silky. Do you see that? It is soft. I'm happy, guys. So this is the PartingMax wig. The knots are bleached. The hairline is nicely pre-plucked, and you know what they said, let us give you a free pre-cut lace, as y'all can see, which they've actually upgraded very much recently. So it has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle, and as y'all can see, it has another one here at the back. It has this band which is adjustable, which means, you know what, this wig you can actually wear it glueless, which we are going to do right now. We also have 2 adjustable belts as well. And by the way, guys, this wig has a very nice parting space. This lace is nice and soft. It is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the wig is also pre-bleached. Okay. Yes, guys, before I comb the hair and fix it nicely, the first thing that I love, that I really like about this wig is that it fits perfectly. Okay, like literally this is not going anywhere. It is a frontal, but it still fits nicely. Yes. Love Me Hair South Africa said, baby girl, we've got you, okay? You do not have to worry. Alright, look at me, guys. I really love the quality. And as you all can see, if this is a frontal, by the way, it is a 13x6 glueless frontal wig. So if you want to glue it down, absolutely you can do that. I feel like Love Me Hair South Africa is giving us options, you know. If you, this, for me personally, this is a 2-in-1 wig where I can actually wear it as, you know, day to day and not worry about my edges being ripped off because of glue. And you know what, if I want to do an updo, I can actually glue it down and do an updo. I am also saying this is a beginner friendly wig because literally no glue, as you all can see, no glue, straight out of the box. I did not get to glue down this wig, and it fits perfectly and it is secure, in case you're wondering. It is nicely it fits perfectly, okay? So I love this wig so much. So as you all can see, if I lift the lace, it will lift. You see, if I lift the lace, it will lift, okay? You can see it is not glued down, but I can do anything. It is nicely fitted to my head. And of course, you can do hairstyles like side parts with this wig without having to glue it down. I'm really impressed. I love the quality. I am really happy.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at @curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Love Me Hair South Africa. Until next time, bye guys.